What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Krump Made Simple. This is a video and tutorial on Krump jabs. In Krump, we get and have gotten so much of our ideas from human nature. Yeah, whether it be animals, whether it be objects, different actions. Yeah. So obviously a jab, what do you think of when you hear the word jab? You think of, more so you would think of a punch, right? Boxers, boom, jabbing. Now, the technique of a jab, there's two ways that you can do it, and I like doing it in these two ways. It depends on what I'm feeling like, how I'm feeling on the day, and what I want to accomplish in my round. So, talking hands, usually with jabs, you use your fist. I mean, you can use everything, right? You can use your language. Make sure you remember to use your language. But for this sake, we'll use the talking hand. And what we're gonna do is here. So, let's go back. Strong man. You're gonna shoot out, right? You're gonna put your hand out and you're going to snatch it back. Just your wrist though, boom. You're gonna snatch your wrist back, bang, bang. Snatch your wrist. Now two, or actually let's go the other hand. Boom, wrist, wrist, wrist. And what helps as well is like if you bring your hand, like your thumb over your shoulder. Boom, so that you're not like jarring your thumb. Bang, bringing it back to meet your shoulder, so it's like that. You see what I'm saying? I hope you can see that. So yeah, now you can just go bang, okay? A jab, just like a chest snap, you're snatching it back. So it's out, and then you snatch it. Bang, here, bang, here. Wrists in, boom. So bring your wrist, like snatch your wrist back as fast as you can to create a jab motion. Bang. Okay, that's one way. The way that I prefer using it is by using your elbow and bringing your elbow back instead. You can try and do both. Wrist, elbow, wrist, elbow. Wrist, elbow. The elbow, as you can see, like the difference, this is just me shooting my wrist. Now elbow, bang. See where they're landing? It's different. Okay, it's really important that you know what muscles you're engaging when you use your elbows, when you use your wrist. It's just here, it's literally just back, out, in. So now that you have the basic jab idea, you can just jab any way, a simple way, and again, make sure you keep that bounce. Stomp, placement, jab. Stomp, jab, chest, jab, place, jab, place, jab, place, jab. Yep. What really helps with jabbing is like snapping out. So when I jab, I react to my jab. So instead of just like this or, right? I'm snapping, boom, out of it. Okay, that's a little bit more advanced. We can get to the snap technique in a later video. But for now, boom, just your wrist, and then elbow. It gives you a different type of feel, a different power. It's more power-based when you're using your elbow. Let's do a jab exercise real quick. So you're gonna go bounce, bounce, stomp, chest, place, jab, jab. Okay, jab, jab. Bounce, bounce, stomp, chest, place, jab, jab. Yep, and allow your hands to do whatever they want, even if it's just holding it there. Woo! You might want to hold it there actually. Let's hold it. So when you jab and you place it, like you stick it, that's what it's called. It's called a stick. So I can just jab and then I can move. Bang! Yeah? So retract, hold, bounce, bounce, and then go back in. So what it's gonna look like, bounce, bounce, boom, bounce, boom, 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 top, chest, hold, bang, bang, hold, 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 bounce, stomp, chest, bang, boom, boom, hold, 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 and pop, boom, boom, hold, 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 boom, 2, stomp, chest, hold, bang, bang, hold, hold, and boom, stomp, chest, hold, boom, boom, hold, hold. Yeah. So you can repeat this as many times as you want. You can even use the same formula, jab different ways, and hold, hold. It's really important that you know what it feels like to just sit in something a little bit. And just like, boom, boom, bang, bang, hold, hold, bang, bang. Yep, doing a double bang, 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 like 2 jabs in a row, super tight. You can do as many jabs as you want. You can just wall out. It don't matter. Okay, this is what it looks like adding everything in real time. Now that you've done the jabs, get to training, get to practicing it, really have fun with like the feel, okay? Each Krump language will make you feel a different jab. It'll make you feel different. Really pay attention to what it makes you feel like, what muscles you're using, and even what it feels like to just hold something and like move around it and then release. All right? So much love to you. Jabs, part 1.